Today, weird doesn't even cover it. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Do you remember the short? Do you remember this? We are gonna use it today. As you might see here, we have our beautiful Dyson. It's a vacuum cleaner, but it's broken. The battery is full, but it doesn't work. Why is that? Most probably is because the trigger here, the bottom, is broken. At least that's what I've been investigating, and that's what I've came up with. So we are gonna try to replace this trigger and see if we can succeed or if we have to throw away the entire time. We have the trigger, we have a screwdriver. I hope it fits.
Nope.
Here on my laptop I have the video tutorial of YouTube channel. We are gonna try to follow what he says and see if we can manage.
Nope.
I should have cleaned this before. He removes this one at the bottom. Now he takes the battery off. How? How did you do it? He is saying that basically this thing over here should be pushed by this part, something like that. Well, not really like that, there's gonna be another part that does it, but anyways. Okay, we have to get rid of this one. Oh, I'm not gonna ever be able to do this.
Nope.
I think I have to go buy a screwdriver. Andiamo al Cino? Andiamo al Cino. Okay, we are back. We went to the Chinese shop downstairs and we bought one of these screwdrivers because with this one, you see the difference. I couldn't get into these screws down here, but we got it, so we should be good.
Nope.
What's next? Okay. You're shitting me. Is it another screwdriver? Why would you do this to me? Dyson, why? Consistency! Consistency! Why? I think I should have watched the video before doing this. I don't want to give up. We need another screwdriver. I'm sorry. I have to go downstairs again. Let me see the video. This is actually take 3. We had to go to the shop downstairs another time to get more screwdrivers because we realized that I didn't have enough material for this video, but hopefully now we do. We have to get rid of this part. Okay, this is the good one. We remove this. I was saying this is not that much of a commitment for the video. It is, but it's mostly that I really need a vacuum cleaner. How did you get it off? Oh, yeah. Now he's lifting this part. Okay. I think we have all the screws removed.
Nope.
Now we have... No, it's not true. We have more. How am I supposed to get in this one? I don't know how to get the one. It's coming. What a day. I'm not sure how am I supposed to put this back after. Because taking off, maybe, but putting it back, let's hope for the best.
Nope.
We have to pull. It is the trigger. It is the trigger! It's the trigger. It's the trigger that is broken. Exactly where the guy said it would be. Woo! Let's go! Wow. Let's wait. It works. So now we have to do everything but backwards. So maybe we are gonna cut it here and do a time lapse on this.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Bad news. This was a failure. I'm so sad. I'm so pissed off because the problem actually really was with the trigger. So now this works. I think I crushed the motherboard or whatever it's called with this when I was trying to fix it. It's a failure. I don't know what to do. I'm so pissed off because it was this. You see, it was broken. It was what I thought it was. It was just a matter of not fucking it up. Yeah, that's it for today.